Okay, so now we have a definite way to show the interface in Spanish. So now we need a way to expose that to users. Let's go back to the Languages page and go back to the Detection and Selection tab. So another way that we can detect a language is what the user has set as their preference. Let's enable that. And we'll save settings. And now let's go to our profile page. I'm going to click Admin at the very top and Edit Profile. And now if you're following along and you're having problems with some of these links still having en in the URL, and perhaps failing because the en prefix no longer exists, then you should be able to just remove the en prefix here and go to that page. Eventually the menu URLs should sort themselves out. All right, I'm going to scroll down and now we have language settings here and we can set which language we want. So I'm going to set it to Spanish and click Save. So now, even though I'm on User 1 Edit, there's no ES prefix here, the interface is in Spanish. Okay, so this should solve our first requirement of allowing a user to be able to translate the interface into Spanish. I'm going to set my language back to English here, and I'll guardar.